Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring precisely. 1 cup cold whole milk or a half and half cream combo gives creaminess. 2 scoops of quality ice cream set base flavor. Once measured, add 2 tablespoons sweetener to taste so sweetness balances the dairy. Quickly pick optional mix-ins, banana, cocoa, or syrup, because they change texture and freezing point. Make sure the blender is assembled and blades secure. This prevents splatter and ensures a smooth blend from the first pulse. You begin pulsing. 3-4 short pulses incorporate ingredients without over-aerating, then blend 10-15 seconds on medium to reach smoothness. If it feels too thick, add 1-2 tablespoons milk. If too thin, toss in a 1/4 cup ice or extra scoop to thicken. This controls mouthfeel. Make sure to stop and scrape the jar once so pockets of ice cream are mixed evenly. Finally, fold in large pieces like fruit or nuts. With a couple gentle pulses to preserve texture, you pour the milkshake into a chilled glass and garnish to elevate flavor and presentation. Toppings add contrast and aroma. Serve immediately to enjoy the ideal balance of cold and creamy, and if it softens too fast, place in freezer for 30-60 minutes to firm up. If you encounter graininess, reblend with a tablespoon of milk to smooth it out. If it's watery, stir in an extra half scoop of ice cream and refreeze briefly to restore body. This single tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.